Checking out a new set of tactical outdoor boots from NORTIV 8. Let's open up the box here. Check these out. This is the brown color. I make them in a couple of colors. And this is their new lightweight tactical. Right off the bat, this foam on the sole is like nothing I've ever felt. It's like a styrofoam or something. But there's this canvas kind of look to it. So that's going to be pretty interesting. Super heavy sole. Well, not heavy, but heavyweight sole. And it's got this traction here. Pretty interesting. Doesn't look like dirt's going to stick to that. Looks like you lace this up how you want. Then you've got this zipper down the side. So a stretchy panel in there. Let you get into the boot. Get down in there. Got some paper to hold it open. Inside, that sole seems pretty decent. Got a covered toe. Nice seal all around. Overall, looking forward to checking these boots out and giving them some miles. Hope this helps.